Welcome to the 3 a.m. Questions, the channel that answers your most perplexing and thought-provoking questions. Whether they're philosophical, economic, or even bizarre, we're here to provide clear and helpful answers. Follow us to learn more. Today we'll talk about a question that interests many of you: how to increase your income. Whether you have some money or are starting from scratch, we'll provide you with practical and proven solutions. Let's get started. If you have some money, even a small amount, you can invest it in secure investment. This company invests in projects such as supermarkets and farms, guaranteeing you steady monthly profits. Instead of letting your money sit stagnant, make it work for you. To register with Secure Investment, all you have to do is click the link in the description box and enter your name and phone number. We'll contact you with all the details. If you're starting from scratch, don't worry. You can work online as a freelancer or provide online services. AdMontier offers you online job opportunities in various fields without the need for large capital. To register with AdMontier, click the link in the description box and fill out the required information. The company will contact you to direct you to the available opportunities. Always remember that investing and working online require patience and perseverance. Start small and be prepared to learn and develop over time. We've reached the end of today's video. If you have any questions or inquiries, leave them in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to be the first to know about our new videos. Share the video with your friends so they can benefit too. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a new video soon. Until then, bye.